Here I am with the food and beverages boss, Mr. Sanjay Kullar, whose food we've been eating since years and years in Delhi. Seasons, the best. And here's my partner, my brother, Sachin. That's why I'm here, because of Sara board. We always come to this expo because it really gives us lots and lots of business. We have the most brilliant wooden homes that India can ever produce, have, make. And this one right here is a small little example of it.
We wanted to know this fair of this IHE 2021 was a great success, and I'm so happy that being a physical show and a lot of good customers have come and a great response. So I must congratulate the IHE team, especially Mr. Rakesh Kumar ji, for doing such a wonderful event.
I would like to congratulate the IHE team first of all for doing such a remarkable job, and at our stand at Fresh Phonics we really had such a good response. We were busy like all 3 days, and a lot of tastings and a lot of curiosity from people for this new products, which is a hydroponic grown vegetables and fruits. Overall, I would say that it is a good beginning for the trade fair industry, for the hospitality industry.
We have been invited in IHE fair. Post-COVID, this fair is absolutely needed because the people would like to venture out, and industry has a standstill point till today. Being a founder member of PHA and part of Bangalore International Airport and associated with hospitality, this fair brings in various type of hospitality professionals under one roof, and the experience what we get over here is overwhelming.
It's a great learning platform for everyone, even a professional chef like me. When we come here, we learn a lot of things. We meet so many old friends and interact with the new generation. So they're doing a fantastic work in bridging the young and the old generation together and showcasing their talent, our talent to everyone. So I feel really excited whenever I'm here, and they're doing a fantastic job.
There are not just exhibition, it is the culinary shows, the forums, the panels that are happening, great talks, and I wish IHE all the best in future too.
What we are taking back from here is that world is all art if we stay as we want to be, and we can, with the pandemic, what we have been talking about, things have been gone down, but no, it is coming back, and I think the world is coming back to normal soon.
Hospitality is changing gears. Hospitality is moving in different directions now, and post-COVID, I think a lot of students are very low in their morale that, oh my God, what is going to happen to us? Hey, listen, nothing's going to happen to you. It's just a 2-year break. Take it at that, but learn, because that's what is going to take you forward.
I definitely look forward to the masterclass, which is based on the sustainability and what is available in India. Actually, COVID has taught us whatever is available within your country, you must use it. And there is a plethora of ingredients which are available with us. So happy cooking and good time.
And there are so many solutions I found today which I never saw under a roof. All kind of solutions are there for our industry. Really surprised that it's a good response over here.
and a lot of people are coming from all over the country.
This is one of the best expo in the country which can be compared with any world-class expo because of one or two reasons. One is that it's B2B and participation is fantastic, I would say that.
We're going to have some exciting panel members, industry leaders coming up, talking in the conferences, talking about future of hospitality. We have some amazing product on display over here.